The Mazda 3. A lot of you guys have been waiting for this to be previewed in a video since I got the Mazda Speed. We are doing this. The Mazda 3 is going to be featured in today's video, and we're going to be doing some work on it. So you guys know I did a lot of LED work and everything like that. So today she found out, my mom, who drives the car now, found out that that reverse light doesn't work anymore. So either the bulb is dead or for some reason there's a loose connection. Obviously the bulb is probably dead. I would see why not, because I don't see why a connection would be bad in there. So we gotta take the whole liner off, which is gonna suck because we legit just like did reverse LEDs on the Mazda Speed, and you just pop the cap off. This one we have to take like the whole like trunk liner off to get to the lights. So I thought, hey, you guys want to see the Mazda 3, just kind of see it again, hear it again. So I thought I'd feature it in today's video. So let's get straight into it. Let's pop the trunk open and get to it. Jacob Quigg, 22 on Instagram, installed his Demon Eye LEDs, RGB LEDs in his Mazda 3. Looking good, fella, dude. Okay, so flathead. It's funny how different the clutch feels on this car compared to the Speed. I always used to think this thing had like a super nice clutch, and now I've gotten used to my Speed, and it's kind of like, maybe the Speed has the nicer clutch here. Oh, you know what? I don't even have to. So the reverse lights right here, connection seems fine. So that means the light is probably dead. Yeah, that doesn't look promising. I think this one, yeah, this one's definitely dead. So if you guys can see here, this little metal piece is like loosey-goosey, so I think this was rotated and not even connected to power. So that LED is toast. So I got another LED here, we're gonna try using that. There you guys have it. LED be fixed. Go ahead, put it back in there. Hold up 1 second, guys. I gotta go to the bathroom. And that's it, folks. Look at this dust, dude. Mom, that is ridiculous. My mom was like, please don't record yet, it's dirty. I'm like, well, it's like, it's embarrassing. And I'm like, well, I just gave Faye over there a wash. She's super clean. That's the video for today, guys. A little bit with the Mazda 3. I can't drive this anymore, I don't know how. Dude, I honestly miss that thing so much, like straight up, like that. It's just like the difference between that car and the Speed is that the Speed has a cut ECU and has a power cut in the ECU for first and second gear. So that thing like off the throttle just goes. Like it's such a quick car. Like obviously when you get into Speed, like you don't have boost or anything, it's just like naturally aspirated, but like it goes off the line, and that the Speed just feels so like sluggish off the line, to be honest. And I mean, it's fast and high end, but I definitely do miss that car a lot. I just drove around the block, and it's like all of the exhaust and the pops and everything. So I really want one. A lot. But anyways, guys, that's the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button and comment if you missed Mazda 3. But anyways, my name is Zeus7, and I will see you guys in the next one. Keep on vibing.